Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to make a drop shadow on text. So the first thing you got to do is find the text tool. You can either press T or just go to the toolbar and find the letter T. Then just type. Um, I'll just name it drop shadow and then I'll just move it to the center. Now, what you got to do to make the drop shadow is go to the layer panels, find the drop shadow text layer that you made, right click it, then go all the way up until you find blending options. Find the option where it says drop shadow, then click it. It should say the show a check mark. That means it's selected and it's ready to go. As you see, the thing's already done. But what you can do to change however you want is right here. This is the color. You can change it to whatever you want. I can make it purple but I'll just keep it to black. You can change the opacity to however you want it. I'll just keep it to 50%. The angle will show where the drop shadow is going to come from. If I put to the right here, it's going to come from the leftish. I put to the left, it's going to come from the right. Now, if the sun, let's say the light was right here on the top left of the screen, I'll put the angle right around here. Like right here, if the light was around right here, the light will hit, then it will get right here. The distance will show how far the drop shadow will be from the text. If I put 80, see how far it is? Then if I lower it, it'll be closer to the text. The spread, as you see right here, this is what it does. It makes a harder edge and thicker of the drop shadow. And if you lower it, it'll be more softer, around the edges. And the size is what it says. It'll well, not exactly. The size, it feathers the the drop shadow. As you see, if I raise it, it'll make it more of a softer, like a foggish type of deal. As you see, it's just feathered. You see, but I'll just lower it to let's say 9, and there's that. Contour, you don't need to worry about it. Nothing. You don't need to worry about it. As you see, there's the spread, to the left, top left. If you put to the top right, it's no drop shadow, but just keep it how it is. No need to mess with it. And noise just makes it grainy, grainy texture, as you see right here. But if you don't want that, you can just keep it to 0. And now after you've got whatever you wanted with the drop shadow, just press OK. And that's how you made the drop shadow. There's the effects right here on the layers panel right here. But that's all. That's how you make a drop shadow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.